Yo, good evening everyone. Yo, we are here in Mayfield. I'm actually doing my laundry at the petrol station, the usual one. Yeah, I'm going to spend for that laundry $20 for one big washing machine altogether. Yeah, the white and the colored, and then later for dryer will be $9 separate, so $18. Yeah, there is the cost of doing the laundry if you are choosy. Yeah, I am choosy these days, so I prepare to wash the clothes in a nice place, in a nice laundry shop. Yeah, and this is how it is at the moment. Not a lot of people actually walking around here. It is already 8 o'clock. I'm actually a little bit it's not good to vlog like this in a place where there's not a lot of people, Oh, there's a restaurant here. It's Lee's Kitchen. Lee's Kitchen is actually popular. Yeah, there are several branches. Should I eat or no? Not totally hungry, but I can eat. I set a timer, and the washing will last for 23 minutes. But in my previous experience, that will be around 30 minutes. It's alright. So since that one also is a Chinese takeaway. Yeah, but if you look at the other shops nearby, the adjacent shop, they are looks quiet, looks close already. And then here there's this Studio 89 massage. And this road is a main road. Yeah, this is a main road. This is actually the road going to Port Stephen and going to Hunter region. There is a mural in here. Yeah, never smile, crocodile. What's that? And there is a chemist warehouse. Chemist warehouse is basically a drugstore, but they have a lot of things. Yeah, chemicals basically. Also, different things. Hygiene, household, something related to hygiene. Basically, cleaning things. Most people also go there at the chemist warehouse to buy perfume. Yeah, they have a lot of perfume. And you see there's this McDonald's. Yeah, there is 3 people over there walking. Yeah, not a lot of people, but actually if you go to that side, to the Hamilton area, that is a busy place. Lots of restaurant that is open until late. Yeah, so that's basically kind of a nightlife, a good place to eat in the night. But in this area, just a while ago we've been to Cole's area, a grocery, and then in here there is Woolworths and McDonald's, and there is also Aldi on that side. But not a lot of restaurant. There is just this major grocery. But in the Hamilton area, there is no big groceries. There are just the little groceries. In here also there is this Snap Fitness, which is a gym. Yeah. There is another Chinese takeaway over there. There is this Australia post office, but yeah, closed already. Yeah, and as you can see, it's visible inside. Yeah, you can really see what is inside. And one thing you'll notice that, yeah, most of the establishment, they have just the glass wall. Yeah, there's no barrier. I mean, you know, there's no total security, like a kind of roll up like this, you know. Yeah, because other countries, wall glass is not enough. Usually there is also a roll up. We're going to follow the rules. It is stop at the moment. It's red. Now we go. And in here there is this tobacconist. Yeah, tobacconist is also one of the usual thing that you're going to see. Usual establishment that you're going to see here. Basically they sell a cigarette and some other stuff. Kind of a convenience store, but mostly cigarettes. Tobacco, the root word, you know. Yeah, this restaurant, it's a Thai restaurant. Not busy, I don't see people inside. Maybe they are closed already. And here, this is the massage, Thai massage. 1 hour is $80, 30 minutes is $60, forehand, and 30 minutes is $100. Oh, they're sleeping in the car, small car. Yeah, the same like before when I did sleeping in the car. Yeah, the very small car, very uncomfortable. There is Domino's here. Should I eat pizza? No. Oh, the name of this road is Mayfield Road. Oh, I reached the petrol station. Oh, yeah, that actually is the petrol station where I usually do my laundry before. Yeah, it is cheap to do the laundry there. That's just $5. So I usually spend yeah, $20 for doing my laundry. Yeah, but yeah, they are on renovation, so no more laundry shop over there. Okay, I'm going back now, but I'm going to the other side. Oh, now I realize that's why during the time that I was doing my laundry there, yeah, slowly some shop are, yeah, closed already. Yeah, so basically they are going to go on total renovation. Yeah, last time I went inside of this pub, yeah, I want to buy a coffee, but they already closed the machine. In the pub looking for a coffee. Usually people go to the pub to drink beer or alcoholic beverages, not coffee. Actually, I go straight to this road, Hanbori Street. Yeah, it is going to shopping center. Yeah, I forgot the name. Yeah, there's a shopping center going there, maybe 30 minutes walk from here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm always tempted to get inside of this building. It's a pub, but yeah, I don't know how to go inside. First, I am shy also to go inside. There's another beautiful mural here. There you can see it. Oh, that's the Filipino shop. Mayfield Asian Variety Shop. Just in front of this Thai restaurant. So this is the Woolworths. Yeah, not very busy. There are cars, but not very busy. Oh, there's a thunder. Looks like it is going to rain. Yeah, we are back here in McDonald's also. That's the chemist warehouse. Like what I said, it's oh, my timer is time out, so we go back to already 20 minutes. These Coles, but you know the grocery is actually hidden. Yeah, it's at the second floor. There is a comfort massage shop here. And there is this Pearl Energy. Yeah, this brand of petrol station is actually one of the cheapest petrol you can buy. Yeah, around here in Australia. Pearl Energy. This antique shop. Yeah, actually in this area, yeah, near the Hamilton train station, there's a this KFC is also under renovation. Yeah, the only oven is the drive-through. Oh, $8. $8. Yeah, drive-through only. Yeah, dining is closed. Or maybe just today. Maybe just tonight. There is another petrol station here. And I'm actually on the other side. But yeah, there is a meat pie here. I'm going to get one. Hi, good evening. Good. 7:50. Steak, bacon, cheese. Huh?
9 actually.
Close already?
No, but
Yeah, I will get one of that. Classic mince. Bilang mobil Chris Dryer. Yes, it becomes dirty if mixed together with the water.